Live look outside, Vero Beach, a mix of sun and clouds. Today, finally, the transition day. All of the tropical moisture that's been on top of us will start to move on out of here, and much drier air moves on in. In fact, it's already starting to poke its head into parts of at least the northern Treasure Coast. So Vero Beach right now looking good, but we are tracking a little bit of rainfall. I'll show you where coming up. Right now, temperatures middle 80s, heading into the middle and upper 80s. The winds picking up too. We're talking winds sustained up to 20 with wind gusts up to 30 miles an hour. We have a front that's pushing off to the south, high pressure building to the north, and that area of higher pressure is going to help to stir up the winds, not just today, but into tomorrow too. Then by the time we get to the middle of the week, that's when the winds start to back on off. For now, though, tracking a couple of generally light rain showers into Martin County, around Hobe Sound, over towards Stewart. Not seeing much in the way of lightning strikes. Also a couple of spot showers into far southern Palm Beach County, but already the deeper tropical moisture is pushing off towards the south. Behind the front, notice dew points in the 60s from Tallahassee into Pensacola. That means that the air is less humid, and that's the air that will be spilling southward as we head into the next couple of days. So you'll notice the difference. We'll go from a really humid air mass to a somewhat humid air mass, but still more comfortable given the time of year. So as we head into the next several days with that drier air in place, we're not going to see much in the way of rainfall. We're talking anywhere from a 20 to 30% chance of a couple of rain showers. So it will be considerably drier compared to the last 7 days. In the meantime, Tropical Storm Philippe just hugging the islands in the northern part of the Windward Islands. It's not a very well put together storm system, lots of wind shear, so the thunderstorms are getting pushed away from the center. But over the next couple of days, it's going to start to push up towards the north, and it could re-strengthen potentially up to a Category 1 as we head towards the weekend just to the east of Bermuda. Then after that, it starts to dissipate, but some of the energy could start to push up towards the Canadian Maritimes. Otherwise, the rest of the Atlantic is nice and quiet, not expecting any tropical activity as we head into the next 7 days. Here's Vipercast. Notice lunchtime, a couple of showers around, likewise around 2 p.m., mainly into Palm Beach County. But by the evening hours, the drier air is spilling southward. And then as we head into tonight, maybe just a couple of spotty rain showers here or there, but most are dry. If you're going boating, the waters are quite rough with rough seas offshore. We're talking seas up to 9 feet. A small craft advisory is in effect. Here's your first alert 7-day forecast. Temperature seasonal, but drier air coming in. Low rain chances starting tomorrow.